creative you think you are? How creative can be a 3-year-old? You remember your class fellows. Some of them are very successful, some of them are not so successful, some may even be failing in life. What do you think explains this difference? According to many studies, this is primarily because of the early childhood education or early childhood rearing practices that our parents follow could have on the impact of our later lives. The study indicates that a child who is 3-year-old is 98% more creative than a person who may be 50s or 60s. The other studies also indicate that the early childhood practices make significant difference in the cognitive, social, emotional and psychological development of a child. So if a child is successful or not so successful is determined by the fact that the early childhood experiences were good or were not so good, or early childhood development did not take place in the right manner. Global research indicates that by the age of 3 years, 85% of the development of the brain takes place, and it is in the later years where the environmental could impact significantly for the rest 15%. So the early childhood makes all the difference in the life of a child, and it is therefore very important that as a society we take care of our children right from the early years. This is one reason why in the national education policy that has been recently announced in May 2020, the early childhood education is proposed to be integrated with the formal education. The transition becomes smooth if the early childhood experiences are happy, they are productive, and they facilitate the holistic development of a child. The research indicates that the needs of early childhood kids are different from the needs of the regular school children. Therefore, it is important that when you take care of your child's early childhood care needs, you take into consideration the special requirements of the early childhood care and education. In a study of creative potential conducted by NASA in 2018, it was found that a 3-year-old child has creative genius potential of 98%, which declines to around 12% by the age the child reaches the teen years, and further to around 2% to 4% in the later period of life. Shankoff and Philip revealed a significant developmental impact of early experiences, caregiving relationships, and perceived environmental threats on the development of a child. It was found that virtually every aspect of early human development, from the brain's evolving circuitry to the child's capacity for empathy, is affected by the environment and experiences that are encountered in cumulative fashion, beginning early in the prenatal period and extending throughout the early childhood years. In the Indian context, Vinita Kaul conducted a large study in 2019 which found significant gaps in the early childhood education in India. The system is not in place, and the scenario of early childhood education needs to be structured. This could be one input for the educationists in the country to integrate this in the early childhood education. In a study, Larry Moore found that if the childhood education is right, the children's achievement in the science faculty particularly can be improved, and by implication this can actually lead to much better improvement in any area of activity including science. We often talk about the significant differences in the achievement of children in developing countries like India and advanced countries like US. So NASA has laid down standards for bringing up children in a right environment right from the early years. The national standards that are prescribed in US for early childhood development need to be also brought in India, and we are making one such effort in Ludhiana in terms of our preschool, that we follow the international standards of early childhood care and education. Considering the importance of early childhood education and care, the Sustainable Development Goals of United Nations prescribed that by early 2030, all the students across the world, boys and girls, should be given a standard early childhood education and care. Thank you.